Hello and welcome to Zero Trust Cyber Tips and Tricks. In this video, we will be discussing what blockchain is, how it works, and some of its potential use cases. First, let's define what blockchain is. At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger that is decentralized and distributed across a network of computers. It records and verifies transactions in a secure and transparent way. One of the key features of blockchain is that it is a distributed ledger, meaning that it is not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers or nodes that work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralization is what makes blockchain so secure and resistant to tampering. Another key feature of blockchain is its use of cryptography to secure transactions. Each block in the blockchain contains a unique code, or hash, that is linked to the previous block. This creates a chain of blocks, or a blockchain, that is extremely difficult to alter or tamper with. So, how does blockchain work? When a transaction is made, it is broadcasted to the network of nodes. The nodes then work together to validate the transaction and add it to the next block in the blockchain. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Now, let's talk about some of the potential use cases for blockchain technology. One of the most well-known use cases is cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. However, blockchain can also be used for a wide variety of other applications, such as supply chain management, voting systems, digital identity, and more. Another interesting use case is decentralized finance, DeFi, which allows for financial transactions and activities to happen without the need of intermediaries. We will be discussing the various measures you can take to ensure the safety of your digital assets. First, let's talk about the importance of using a strong and unique password. Your password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birthdate. It's also a good idea to use a password manager to generate and store your password for you. Next, we will discuss the importance of keeping your private key safe. Your private key is essentially the key to your digital assets, so it's crucial that you keep it secure. One way to do this is by using a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that stores your private key offline. This means that even if your computer or phone is hacked, your private key will still be safe. Another important step is to enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. It's also a good idea to be aware of phishing scams. Scammers may try to trick you into giving them your private key by pretending to be a legitimate website or person. Always double-check the URL of the website you're on and never enter your private key into a website unless you're sure it is legitimate. Best practices and security measures to secure blockchain as a developer. As a developer, it's crucial that you follow best practices for secure coding, such as input validation and error handling. This can help prevent common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and buffer overflows. Next, we will discuss the importance of using encryption. Encryption is a powerful tool for securing data stored on the blockchain and when transmitting data over the network. By using encryption, you can help protect sensitive information from being intercepted and read by unauthorized parties. Another important step is to use secure key management. As a developer, you have access to private keys and other sensitive information, so it's important that you protect it. You can use hardware wallets or multi-signature schemes to keep your private keys safe. It's also a good idea to use smart contract auditing. Smart contract auditing is the process of reviewing the code of smart contracts, looking for potential vulnerabilities, and providing recommendations for improvement. This can help ensure that your smart contracts are secure and free of bugs. Another important aspect is to use secure network protocols such as HTTPS and SSL to encrypt data in transit and protect against man-in-the-middle attacks. It is also essential to keep all software including the blockchain platform and any associated libraries or frameworks updated with the latest security patches. And also using firewalls and intrusion detection, prevention systems to protect the blockchain network against unauthorized access and malicious activities. There are several steps you can take to secure blockchain technology. 1. Use secure coding practices. Follow best practices for secure coding, such as input validation and error handling, to help prevent common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and buffer overflows. 2. Use encryption. Use encryption to secure data stored on the blockchain and when transmitting data over the network. 3. Use secure key management. Implement secure key management to protect private keys and other sensitive information. This can include using hardware wallets or multi-signature schemes. 4. Use smart contract auditing. Audit the code of smart contracts for potential vulnerabilities and provide recommendations for improvement. 5. Use secure network protocols. Use secure network protocols such as HTTPS and SSL to encrypt data in transit and protect against man-in-the-middle attacks. 6. Keep software updated. Keep all software, including the blockchain platform and any associated libraries or frameworks, up to date with the latest security patches. 7. Use firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems. Use firewalls and intrusion detection prevention systems to protect the blockchain network against unauthorized access and malicious activities. 8. Conduct regular penetration testing. Regularly conduct penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities and ensure the security of the blockchain system. Securing your blockchain cryptocurrency requires a combination of strong passwords, the use of hardware wallets, two-factor authentication, awareness of phishing scams and keeping your devices secure. By following these best practices, developers can help ensure the safety and security of blockchain technology. In conclusion, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way we conduct transactions and store data. Its decentralized and secure nature makes it a powerful tool for a wide variety of applications. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a better understanding of what blockchain technology is and how it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cyber tips and tricks.